I wish someone taught me about this sooner. Hello everyone, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming 3 things. You own an iPhone, and like me, you like taking a lot of photos, and you probably ran into the iCloud and iPhone storage full problem. So this led you to do either one of the 2 things. Started deleting all the screenshots, duplicates, and selfies you have on your phone, or you bought more iCloud storage. This happened to me earlier this year when I was in the middle of taking a video for one of my trips, and it led me to frantically deleting all these photos that I wasn't so ready to give up yet. I mean, who needs all these duplicates and 2-second videos of your dog? But I just wasn't ready. So after that trip, I started looking into getting more iCloud storage, and I decided to upgrade from paying 99 cents per month for 50 gigabytes of storage, which is about $12 per year, to pay $2.99 per month for 200 gigabytes, which is about $36 per year, which is not bad. But then I started thinking, I'm in my mid-20s, and long term, for as many photos that I take now, than being in my mid-20s, 200 gigabytes is not gonna hold a lifetime's worth of photos that I will be taking. So I started thinking about how can I organize and back up my photos without paying for an excessive amount of storage. And in this video, it's gonna show you exactly how I'm doing that. So if you're looking for a way to organize and back up your photos without paying for an excessive amount of storage, I'll be showing you how I'm doing it and show you how you can develop your own photo backup and organization system. Now, let's get to it. All right, so this is my current system right now. Locally on my iPhone, I like to keep at least 3 to 5 years worth of photos. My iPhone, which holds about 128 gigabytes, it doesn't solely store only photos and videos. It also covers app data and other stuff that's included with just having an iPhone. But all these photos and videos that I have on my phone, I like to have it backed up into a cloud storage. Now, I have 2 cloud storages, that being my iCloud storage and my Google Drive. Right now, I have 200 gigabytes worth of Google Drive, which is about $30 per year. And then with Apple, for iCloud, I pay 50 gigabytes. And I like to keep at least 2 to 10 years of photos on there. I only have 50 gigabytes for my iCloud because I like to primarily use that for my contacts, calendar information, and all the data that doesn't include photos and videos from my iPhone in case I upgrade to another phone. So that's why I have Google Drive, which is my primary way of backing up my photos and videos into a cloud storage. I just like the accessibility that comes with having a Google, so I can just pull it up anywhere rather than having to rely on an Apple device to access my photos. And then after backing up my photos to cloud storage, I also back it up onto a physical drive. So I have 2 places where I back up my photos and videos. That being my Samsung T7 Shield, which is 1 terabyte. And also I have my lovely laptop, which also serves as another hard physical storage space for me to save all my photos. So this is my current photo storage system. Knowing that my photos are backed up into a cloud storage, and then I also have 2 places for all the photos that I've taken, gives me peace of mind. And then also having a regular routine of moving my photos into a physical drive, it makes me feel okay to delete the photos in case I find that my phone storage is full. And now if you're wondering how you can make your own photo and backup system, these are things that you can consider when you're looking into either getting a new phone with more storage space, whether you should pay for more cloud storage, and whether or not you should get a hard disk drive. First, you need to determine how accessible you would like your photos to be. For me, locally on my iPhone, which holds about 128 gigabytes, I think that it's worth at least having at least 3 to 5 years worth of photos accessible to me. When I think about it, whenever I share stories where I end up saying, oh, I think I have a photo of it on my phone, it's usually photos that have been within the span of at least 4 to 5 years. Also, I think 4 to 5 years, at least in my experience, I usually find that I find myself in a very different place or in a different mindset than I was 5 years ago. So that's why I think that those span of years is worth being accessible on my phone. Then I think about 10 years just to double that on my cloud storage, and then on my physical drive, I just like to have a place for everything. Now, a little interjection, if there's anything that you take away from this video, have a place where you store all your photos, whether that be on a cloud or your laptop. Just have a place where you back up all your photos. Now, getting into the second thing that you should consider is how much money are you willing to pay for a storage system? So that coming down to how much are you willing to pay to upgrade your phone? How much cloud storage are you willing to pay, whether that be for 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or a terabyte of storage? And the same goes for how much you're willing to pay for a physical drive. For me, I don't think it's worth it for me to pay more than $50 per year for a cloud storage when I have all photos that I want saved on my drive, and at least 200 gigabytes covers all the photos that I want somewhat accessible to me through an app or just going on a website to pull up photos on my cloud storage. However, this could be different for you if you are a photographer. For me, I don't have a profession in taking photos, so paying $80 for a physical drive that I think will cover a good amount of storage in my life and having it backed up onto my laptop. Also, I know that laptops can give out, so this is my primary way. I've been looking into paying for something else, but right now with my budget, I'm willing to just pay 1 terabyte's worth of storage. So yeah, just consider how accessible you would like your photos and how much you're willing to pay for storage space. So that completes the end of my video. Hopefully this has been helpful for you to think about whether or not you should pay for more storage and how you can back up your photos. In the next video, I'll be showing you how I like to organize and back up my photos and how I like to incorporate that into my monthly reset routine. So look forward to that. Like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!